Do not use a toothbrush to clean dirt from your refrigerator gasket. It's a mistake that can be costly. When the gasket becomes dirty, discolored, or yellowed, avoid cleaning it with a toothbrush, dish brush, or rough sponge, as this could damage it. There's a better solution for such gaskets. Prepare a small bowl and pour in half a cup of regular water. Warm water is fine. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and stir until all ingredients are dissolved. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, spray the gasket on the refrigerator door, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then, wipe it gently with a soft cloth. The ingredients in this solution will remove dirt, whiten the yellowed material, and eliminate mold spores that may be hiding in the gasket's crevices. Regular cleaning with this simple and effective mixture will keep your refrigerator gasket cleaner and brighter. With just this easy trick, your refrigerator will look like new. Put bubble wrap in your fridge. I always do this before going on vacation. And trust me, you'll thank me later. You'll be surprised why it works so well. Once you try this trick, you won't want to go back. For me, it's a real time saver and a great way to save money. Bubble wrap is incredibly useful because it insulates perfectly. It helps maintain a stable temperature around each piece of fruit, slows down ripening, and prevents bruising. It also reduces moisture buildup, which can cause food to spoil faster. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Just place a piece of bubble wrap on each fridge shelf. It acts like a protective layer, keeping the fridge clean for longer. You won't need to scrub the shelves as often. The best part? When the wrap gets dirty, simply replace it with a new one. It's quick, practical, and keeps everything organized. Ever since I started doing this before every trip, I've stopped wasting food. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Ever since I started keeping a wine cork in my fridge, I've been paying less for electricity. It's so simple, yet I don't understand why so few people do it. The fridge, one of the most power-hungry appliances at home, can work more efficiently thanks to this easy trick. A wine cork is made from cork oak bark, a material that naturally absorbs moisture from the air. When placed inside the fridge, it takes in excess humidity, reducing the workload of the compressor in maintaining a steady, low temperature. This happens because drier air makes cooling more efficient. But that's not all. The cork also acts as a natural airflow moderator, helping to distribute cold air evenly, even to spots that usually stay warmer. As a result, the temperature is more stable throughout the fridge, and your food stays fresh longer. It also helps prevent frost buildup on the walls, a common problem in many fridges. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the cork and place it on the top shelf. It will absorb the scent and gradually release it, neutralizing unpleasant odors. Try this, and your fridge will use less electricity and run more efficiently, lowering your bills. Even such a small trick with a cork can lead to real savings over the course of a year.